Today I am going to show how to operate a designer Brilliance 80 Viking. Every time just press start new and please see that no frame is attached because the embroidery unit totally moves, so the frame may break. Be careful. For utility stitches, over here, this place, and if you want it to cover the whole screen, press it twice, and if you want only in a low space, just one click. Here you have all fonts, many fonts, and over here signature designs. In these we have types A, B, C, D, like that till N. Till N, from A to N we have. And over here these are the cloud designs in the cloud. These are the designs in the machine itself, and these are the designs in the pen drive. This. Always check the frame size. Always set the frame size to the best which you want. And if you have two machines of this type and you want to send this design to another machine, just press over this and this. Yeah, see, I have got it. Okay, now check that out. I have two designs, and whenever you want to delete, over here, and if the design is outside, just press over this. Check this one. So the design automatically comes inside the frame, and this is for copying, like this, and this will make it tilt a little. But if you want exact size to look at the frame, over here, and if you want exact size to look at the design, over here, like this. All it's better to set this one so you can see the whole design at a time, and the frame too. And when you press this, the design goes upside down, and when you press this, the design side changes. Here we can't observe because the design is same from the both sides. I will show you another design for this as an example. Now see it. So it changed its position. I mean, it tilted the other side. It was tilted to the other side, and this is for changing the position for a minute change, like this. And this is for rotating the design. If you want to rotate 90 degrees, don't press this, just press in the center, so it directly changes its angle to 90. And this, here we can adjust the size of the design. If you remove this lock, only the height or the width, which one you select, that will be changed. And if you lock it, both of them will change accordingly. And if you want to undo the action, just press this one, this. That's all. And if you want to redo this, oh, go. Always press OK after attaching the hoop, because the embroidery unit changes its position after pressing OK. You can check it out. OK, now see it. It changes. Again, if you want the embroidery, hoop to come in the center, just press this. And for trim position, like this. And park position, the embroidery unit goes over there at the corner. And current stitch, but always remember, don't use this park position when the hoop is attached, because it may break the hoop. And this is the current stitch position. Now let's see how to attach, how to set the cloth in the hoop. Always while attaching, just press this button only once, push it and leave that. Press this until you hear that sound. Okay, now take it to trim position. Until you press this button, the thread comes till you pull, comes on if you pull, and if you press this, the thread is locked, it won't come. Again, if you want the thread to become loose, press this, like this, it came, and here you can lock it. Always adjust the tension according to the cloth. If you want more tension, like this, and less tension, like this. Speed also you can adjust for according to the cloth and the thread. See how to attach the thread. Insert the thread into the needle. But for jerry, you should directly insert the thread because it's too thin. This top is for the color. If you want to stitch in single color, so press this top. You can't see any color. It shows everything in one color. So the design completely stitches like that. And if there are mirrors, please don't press stop, because you can't have time to attach the mirrors. It continuously stitches, so be careful. To start over here, and before that, check where the check the design border. Just press this fix, and you can see just by pressing plus, it shows where all the design border comes, like this. Okay, if you press like this, the thread is loose, left loose, so it comes till you, and if you press this, the thread is locked, so it won't come. Now let's see how it stitches. I stitched it in full speed, so the thread was cut. So always use 50% or 75%. If you use full speed, the thread will be cut frequently. So remember it. And whenever the thread is cut, minus 10 stitches. And then start again. Here stop is on. So when this color ends, I mean blue ends, it would show to change the thread. And if the stop is off, now stop is off, so I mean on, so check it out what would happen. See, now the thread changes automatically. If you want to stitch a booty or something without a mirror, then you can use top. Or two only if you want to stitch in a single color. And if there are mirrors, you should not press top, because mirrors, you can't attach the mirrors over there. It would not stop to attach the mirrors. So be careful. See, it shows your embroidery is finished. Sometimes the thread may not come, so again press this, cut.